Hey, Nicole, how many Mai Tais have we made with a coupe glass?
None.
How many Mai Tais have we made with a shot glass?
Absolutely none.
Do you know what we're going to do today?
Goth Mai Tai.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Celebration of us being official Vegas chapter Tiki Goth Club official members. We sat down and said, you know what? Let's make a Goth Mai Tai.
Yeah.
So this is kind of a mix of a few different recipes I've seen. One of them's for a Star Wars thing and all kinds of stuff like that, but it's gonna be fun and it's gonna be cool, and
different.
Everybody try it and let us know what you think.
Absolutely.
Let's start.
Okay.
We have 1 ounce of gold rum.
Gotcha.
And we're using Trader Vic's gold rum for that one.
Okay.
No Goth Mai Tai would be complete without 3/4 ounce of blood orange triple sec.
Triple sec. Okay.
This is my homemade blood orange triple sec.
Okay.
Super rich and super fantastic.
Very. Okay.
3/4 ounces of lime juice.
Okay, we've already pre-done our squeeze. Okay.
And 1/2 ounce of orgeat.
Okay.
Orgeat. Sorry.
Orgeat. That's how I say
Orgeat.
it. I'm sticking to it. Okay. Alrighty.
All right. We have that. Put that aside for a second.
Using the mini on that.
And
here's the fun part.
on the second note, this is what makes it fun. This is like 1.5 ounces. We're gonna use Trader Vic's dark. It's the darkest rum we had. I thought we had a black rum, but that would be more appropriate. But this is super dark, so that's what
So
we're using.
how far up do you
Almost all
want
the
to
way to
go?
the top.
Okay. This is so good. Okay.
All right. With the dark rum then, we are going to add gold edible glitter.
Gold edible glitter. This is a first for me. So how much you think?
I don't know. Till it,
Oh, that's fun.
it's making a mist everywhere.
Why not? Okay.
Okay. They don't give that stuff away either, by the way.
This itty bitty little guy is $12.
But it's
So-
edible.
It's edible.
So we'll see.
Let's do one more.
One more. Okay.
Okay. You do this part.
So the fun part, yeah.
I'm scared.
Take the coupe glass.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. You did this the other day.
Put
and
it on
worked.
top. I did it. I practiced it the other day.
Yeah.
All right. You ready? Here we go. Coupe glass on top of shot glass.
Oh.
Flip it over.
Yay.
There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Shake that.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. He did this the other day practicing when I wasn't watching. He just showed up and he goes, look at what I did. So that turned out good.
Let's see.
I can see all the gold on it. That's really nice. And I think it's fun we're using a mini shaker.
Little mini
for this
shaker.
one.
So we're just doing a solo.
Yeah, a little tiny one. If I can get this top off. It's frozen. I can't.
Uh-oh.
It's frozen.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Okay. Are we ready?
We're ready.
Okay.
Slow. Pour it slow, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm dying to try this. This is really going to be nice. Okay.
All right. Let's
About
go
like
there.
that.
Okay.
I don't want it to overflow.
And from here, you have to say Aloha, children of the night.
No, you do that. You do that.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Aloha, children of the night.
Oh, that's fun.
There is
Okay, you can see the glitter.
our Goth Mai Tai. Do you want a straw or do you want to try it like that?
No, it's a coupe.
Okay.
I don't have ice. Okay, that's fun. You can really see the gold glitter like spinning around in there. You can really see it. And I love the way that it looks. Okay. Smells really nice. That's a good one. That's really nice. You know, they have black glitter. They didn't have it when I bought this gold the other day. All they had was unicorn glitter, which we knew that wasn't going to work. And then we had the gold. But I think the black glitter would be really, really
cool
fun
too, yeah.
in one of these. What do you think?
I like it. I mean, it's basically a straight up Mai Tai, normal Vic style Mai Tai with a heavier amount of dark rum, which I actually do like. I
like the mix of the blood orange with the lime. It gives a really nice fruity, like a blend, like you can tell. It's nice.
Yeah, the blood orange isn't as sweet as like the normal triple sec, so it works out a little bit better. And it's what is that one? A vodka base? So we're adding a little bit of that.
It was a vodka base that you did. Not too
it's
sweet.
Got a little bit more. I'm afraid of breaking the glass. Oh,
I know. My sister gave us these glasses. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I wish you guys could see it. Just a nice balance of sweetness. You get all the Mai Tai flavors that are rolled in there, plus that extra punch of that blood orange, which is a little more unique with sweetness than a regular orange, curacao or something like that.
Definitely. It's more on the end of the, what's the orange liqueur? I can never think of the name of, but Cointreau. It's more on that level where it's not as sweet. It's definitely not like a dry curacao.
This is a sexy drink. I could see people in the Goth Tiki group, you guys, coming to our house and we can make these. And I'm going to search for some black glitter. I think that would be amazing in here.
That would be good. Yeah. And plastic shot glasses, because this thing is heavy.
That is very heavy, but it's a black skull, so we thought that would be appropriate.
Should have had to make that bat garnish.
A bat garnish? That
you might have to do a bat garnish.
I will definitely do that next time.
Garnish school, you have to add a bat garnish.
Absolutely.
Now this is so cool with the glitter.
Yeah, the glitter is really fun.
As much as that is, what's the one? Hypnotique. Yes. With the stuff in there, so you could probably go way crazy with it too.
You could.
It's pretty subtle.
You could.
Yeah, it could be a good time.
I'm thinking though, for me, I mean, we're here on time with filming. I like it a little bit colder. I probably would have shook it a little bit harder with more ice just to get a really good cold, because I don't have an ice cube in my drink, which I normally like. Yeah. So I think that's the only thing I would do differently. Yeah,
it could be the benefit of the big shaker as you get more,
probably,
cold maybe with it. I don't know. Is that true? Do you get more cold with the bigger shaker?
Wow, it's good. It's fun. It's a neat drink that everybody would enjoy. It's glittery. It's sexy. It's flavorful.
It's a little goth bougie.
There you go, goth bougie. That's
as a Mai Tai, how do you rank it?
Oh, as a Mai Tai, I mean, I love it. So, I mean, I would absolutely give this, like 5-star or 5-star. Well,
5 Mai Tais.
Let's say 5 Mai Tais. Sorry.
I'm with you. 5 Mai Tais.
I say 5.
It's really on par with a normal 44 Mai Tai. It's that ratio with the dark rum and the rum being flipped a little bit there, but
it is.
Otherwise it's good. As a cocktail?
Oh, as a cocktail, 5 as well. Yeah. Because definitely. I could serve this to people and they will love it, I know. And if this got served to me anywhere, I'd love it.
Oh, at a bar or something like that, it's totally Instagrammable. When you pop it out, it all blends together. All the glitter falls in there, and without a doubt, that's a good one. So
absolutely, garnish it up.
A little spin. See if we can zoom in on that and get.
I could see it.
I mean,
it's a little hard.
You can see it. With
but black glitter. So. I'm going to be on the hunt now for some black glitter.
All right. So we've included all the information for Tiki Goth Club in the description. Really fun group. We had a really great time at the Las Vegas meetup last week. Thanks to everybody that sponsored and had stuff over. Everybody that came out, got to meet everybody there.
Very welcoming.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks to the Golden Tiki. They did a meetup on Sunday. They did a brunch. That was extremely fun. We were there for I don't know how many hours, and that was a good time. And Adam Rains had mixed up a whole bunch of specialty cocktails for that. And they were super on point.
Let me give them a couple of you know, claps for the food.
Yeah, the food was good
The
too.
brunch food that they were serving was so good. What was it that I had? I had the
You had the egg rolls.
yeah, they
Hatch
were
chili egg roll.
no.
It wasn't hatch. It was
What were
it was
they?
a chili egg roll.
Yeah, but it was the egg with the chili, the breakfast, the breakfast food with the eggs and the chili. I don't know. I can't remember right now what it was, but they were made into egg rolls. They were so good.
That and French toast. It was good stuff. Yeah. So
anyway, good stuff.
Anyway, good. We'll see. From there, I think that's it. It's a winner. Give it a try.
Winner.
Tag us if you make this, please. We'll reshare and
yeah. Mesmerized.
Definitely. All right. Well, that's it for this episode. Thank you. Aloha.